Read this one out since it's hard to read. Noel and Ronaldo want to rent bikes with two other friends. They have $150 to spend on bike rentals. The sign below shows them the rental rates. Okay, so one bike, you can rent that for $9.75 per hour. So for one bike, you can rent them for $9.75 per hour. But the group rate, and this is for groups of 4 or more, you save $3 per person. Okay, so it's a special rate. So let's say you had 4 or more people, you would save $3 per person. It's a little unclear. Is that $3 that you save per hour, or you just save $3? So, okay. But based on the information on the sign, the equation below can be used to determine the number of hours each the 4 friends can rent the bikes for with 150. Okay, so at least they're unclear up here. They're giving us the equation, and the equation says 4 times 9.75h minus 3 equals 150. So it looks like you just lose $3 total per person. Noel says they have enough money to rent the bikes for a maximum of 3 hours. Solve the equation for the number of hours h in order to determine whether Noel is correct. Alright, I guess I should go back. It says Noel and Ronaldo want to rent bikes with 2 other friends. Okay, that makes sense. So there's Noel and Ronaldo, and there are 2 other friends that they're renting with. So we have this equation. We want to solve for h. Is he correct? Does h equal 3? Is it the maximum number? So is it 3 or like 2.75? Is 3 hours the maximum number? Well, we're going to use the distributive property to solve this. We have 4 times 9.75 h minus 3 equals 150. Well, one thing I guess we can do here is distribute 4 times 9.75 h. Well, 4 times 9 is 36, and 4 times 0.75, I think of 4 times 3/4. So we have 4 times 9 is 36, and then 4 times 3/4 is just 3. So that's really just 39. H minus 12, and that equals 150. Now I'm going to add 12 to both sides. I get 39h equals 162. And now h would equal 162 divided by 39. Well, the question is, I mean, we don't have to figure out exactly what h is, but is h bigger or smaller than 3? Well, 39 times 3 equals 90, 3 times 30, plus 27, which is 117. So the amount of hours we can get at this group rate is definitely more than 3, because we are taking 162 and dividing it by 39. So that's more than 3. And in fact, 39 times 4 times 30 is 120, plus 36 is still less than 162. So they could rent the bikes for at least 4 hours. 5 hours would bring it over, because 5 times 30 is 150, and 5 times 9 is 45. So that's more than they have. We have 162 up here. So in fact, we could ride the bikes for about 4 hours.